Hey everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can install here Claude Desktop. You need to search Claude Desktop on Google. Thereafter, it will give you these results. Click on there, download Claude. Thereafter, you can download this application for your macOS. Here you will get all the options. You need to select your macOS. Just click on this macOS. It is going to download this Claude Code. Once this download is done, then we can install this Claude Code on your macOS. Claude Code is downloaded here. Let's go ahead and double click on this. So this Claude Code is provided by Anthropic. This Claude Code is quite useful. So we can say that there are three major players in AI field. One is Google Gemini, another one is OpenAI ChatGPT, and this is the third one where we have Anthropic Claude Desktop. You can just simply drag this in application, drag and drop this. Thereafter, I already have there, but still I want to replace that one. So I just simply replace it. If you don't have anything, then it will just simply, copy this cloud application in application. Now I have installed my Claude Code, in fact Claude Desktop. Thereafter what I do here, I search it. Let's go ahead and search this Cloud. Alright, now you will notice here that Claude Desktop is gonna open. It will take a little bit time to open because it is first time. As you see here that it has started installing this. I say yes, I want to open this. Our Claude Code setup is being done here. As you see here, I am already logged in with the KGP Talkie. If this is first time to you, then you will find out there a link to sign up. You can sign up here. Let me just sign out here, basically log out here, and then I can show you how it will look like. So it will look like something this to you. Click on get started. Let's select this continue with Google. Then it is going to ask you whether you want to sign in with Google. I say yes, continue with Google. Then it is going to pop up here my account. I select my account here, KGP Talkie. And then it is going to ask me whether I want to allow to access my name and email address from the Google account. I say yes. And then finally, we have successfully logged in Cloud Desktop. The same email you can use to log in Cloud Code, and also you can use the same email to log in web version of the Cloud. Thereafter, click on the continue so that it can enable the shortcuts here. So we have successfully installed our Claude Code. You can click on here to get started with the chat. Let me just ask here some question like, tell me 3 facts about Earth. It is going to tell me 3 facts about the Earth. And from here, you can find out all your recent chats. If you want to delete particular chat, you can just simply click on here, and then you can delete that particular chat. Something like this you can select, and then you can delete it here. If you want to select a particular model, you can select here a model. By default, currently Sonnet 4.5 model is being offered by the Anthropic. By the time you watch this video, they might have a different model, but at the time of recording this video, they have a Sonnet 4.5 model. They have other models as well, like they have Haiku 4.5. The another one is the Opus 4.5. You can select here more model, but for that case, you have to upgrade your account. Currently, I'm in free version plan. All right. And from here, you can see all the options available with the Cloud Desktop. You can use any style you want to select, like you can use normal style, learning style, concise, explanatory, and the formal one. Basically, based on your use cases, you can select here a style. Other than that, you can use the extended thinking as well. So this is used when you want to ask very complex question where you want to put your model in deep thinking mode. So you can use this one. And other options are available if you have only pro version. I hope that this is pretty much simple and straightforward to you, and this is how you can get started with the Cloud Code Desktop. All right, I'll see you in next lesson.